Hello everyone, myself Asfand Yar from Royal Cyber Team. In today's video, we'll get to know how we can create a multi-agent in Copilot Studio. So now we are able to build a multi-agent bot. So both the agents, or we can add 3 or 4 agents together to solve a complex problem. So all of the agents will work together to do a great job for the customer. So let's move on to the Copilot Studio screen and start working on it. So here we are on Copilot Studio screen. So let's create an agent. So rather than this, we'll skip to configure and we'll call it Royal Cyber Sport Agent. All right. So we can give it some description to it. This is support agent Royal Cyber team. This part will handle queries from cycle. That's it. So let's give it a little bit instruction as well. If for agent all against user queries, your job is to understand the intent of user query and filter the relevant agent relevant agent query and get the response back. Let's create it. All right. To set up a multi-agent environment, we already have 2 agents available in our system, which represents HR department and IT department. So we'll add both the agents here and see how it actually works. So we have here Royal Cyber HR bot. We'll select it and we'll add this agent. So, so now we'll add another agent which is named as Royal Cyber IT agent. So both the agents has been added here. So before jumping to our testing, let's see what is inside these agents. So here, if we go to the HR agent, we can see we have just added our instructions, description, and our document in its knowledge that have this is a kind of template HR guide just for the testing purpose how it actually works. It's in progress actually right now. It's not yet indexed. And then we have an IT agent, and inside this we also have the same type of instruction but for the IT department. And then we have knowledge sources of 2 documents, which is also in progress, be indexed. So let's wait for a while. Once these indexed, we'll start doing our testing. Here, our data has been indexed. Both the files are ready, and we can do queries on them. And let's see the HR bot. Um, HR bot, we have uploaded a file and see. Yeah, This is also indexed. Now we'll jump to the main agent where we have added both the agents. Before starting query, let me show you one setting that we need to enable before testing the multi-agent. So in settings, in generative AI, we have to enable this check to let agents work together. Okay, so other things are in default state, but I just enabled it for enabling the multi agents. So keep enable it, and let's move to the testing part. Here we can, let's do a query. What is the hiring process and procedure? So let's see. Yeah, it's jumped to the Royal Cyber HR bot and it's reviewing the resources. Yeah, it's captured the response from the HR bot. So let's ask a query related to IT department and see if it's works fine with it or it's able to jump to multi agents side an agent. So to be clear after this query, what is the information technology security security policy. Okay, let's ignore this typo. So now the query is relevant to the IT department. So it's jumped to the IT agent successfully, and it's reviewing the sources and bringing the information together and preparing a response for us. So the information technology security policy includes guidance for protection, user information technology assets, and this. So it seems to be working fine with multi-agent environment. So this was the great experience. Now we can add multiple features as a separate agent inside our main agent. So we can divide our features or problems into the multi-agents and use them inside a single agent, and we can build a big thing by putting all these smaller agents together. So this is the great approach and great update from Microsoft Copilot Studio. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any query, you can pin that query in the comment box. Will surely help out to you to guide the working and development of AI bots using Microsoft Copilot Studio. Thank you.